So what the heck is a bond anyway? No, it has nothing to do with that kind of bond, not James Bond or Bond Girl. There are two basic types of bonds, a business bond and a government bond. So when a company or a government needs to raise money for something they need, say a shiny new machine or fancy bridge, it borrows money by selling bonds. So let's say you have a business that you want to expand. You need 100 grand, but you don't have it. So you could issue 10 bonds for 10 grand each and try and get that money. I could buy a bond, your friends or your family could buy bonds, whoever could buy bonds. And hey, I'm a nice person, but I am no sucker. I want something out of this whole thing if I give you that money. And that something is called interest. Just a quick PS. If I think you're not likely to give me my money back, let's say you're not such a reliable person, I will likely want more interest back. Basically, I want more of a return if there's a chance I'm not going to get my initial investment back. So let's say I buy that bond and give you 10 grand. That's face value, by the way. Let's assume I get 5% interest for that loan. That's what's called a coupon. So that is $500 a year of money I'm making for letting you use my money to expand your business. But I probably don't get paid right away. Let's say your bond has a maturity date of 10 years. That means you pay me back in 10 years. So $500 of interest every year for 10 years equals $5,000. Yes, that is equal $5,000 on top of the initial $10,000 I gave you in the first place. So $15,000 altogether. And if all goes as planned, you would have expanded your business, you would have made more money. I made an extra $5,000. And while we aren't James Bond or Bond Girl with all that money, we kind of feel that way.